Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be cooking the most amazing pulled pork you'll ever taste. So what we'll do is jump straight into it. And don't forget, everything you use in my video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing your support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Right, so in today's video, what I'm going to do is show you how to cook the best pulled pork you will ever taste. We're going to be making our own sauce as well and our own rub. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Right, so today we're going to be doing a pulled pork, and what we're going to be doing is using a pork shoulder. Now you're going to have to prepare this the night before because you're going to want to sit that pork in your rub for around 24 hours in a Ziploc bag. So what we'll do is we'll grab the ingredients and then I'll go through what we've got and then I'll show you how we make the rub. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Right, so now we've grabbed our ingredients, I'll quickly go through what we've got. Ground black pepper, some sea salt, some dried ginger, some dried oregano, some dried mustard, we've got some brown sugar, some white sugar, some onion powder or onion flakes, some sweet paprika, and to kick it off, some smoked paprika. And finally, some garlic powder. So what we'll do is we'll dive in and start making this rub. Right, so now we've made our rub. What we want to do is get it over that pork and get it to infuse that meat. So what we're going to do is put that rub all over that meat, put it in a Ziploc bag and get it in the fridge overnight for at least 24 hours. So what we'll do is jump back into it. Right, so it's the following day now and our pork's been in that fridge for at least 24 hours and it looks and smells amazing. So all that flavour from that rub should have infused into that meat. So what we're going to do first is get this Genesis lit, give it a 10-minute preheat, and this is the time, if you're going to get some smoke infused into that meat, to get your smoker box on. So what we'll do is get this Genesis lit, and then once we get the meat on, we'll get it set up for the low and slow. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Right, so Genesis has been on for around 2 hours now and it's staying around that 130-degree mark. So we're just going to top up those pans of water just to keep that temperature down for that low and slow cook. Right, so our pork's been in for around 4 hours now and it's just hit that 71-degree mark. That's 160 degrees Fahrenheit. So what we're going to do now is take it out and get it in a foil tin and get it wrapped with some foil and then get it back in for the final cook. As you can see, it's got some beautiful colours there, some awesome moisture in there. This is still keeping them moist, and we'll still keep these pans in here just to keep that temperature down to around that 120, 130 degree mark. So we'll just get that transferred into the aluminium foil tray and get it covered with some double tin foil. Right, so our pork's on that final cook and it's going to take around 2.5 to 3 hours. So we've got some time to kill, so this is the best time now to make your sauce. So today we're going to be making a spicy barbecue tomato sauce. So what we'll do is grab the ingredients and then we'll dive in and start making the sauce. Right, so now we've got ingredients, I'll quickly go through what we've got. Now don't forget, everything will be listed in the description below, as well as the best place to get your Weber products. So first up, we've got some tomato ketchup. It doesn't have to be Heinz, it can be any generic brand you like. You want some Worcester sauce. Right, so you're going to want the juice of half a lemon. I'm going to cheat today and just use some lemon juice that I've got in the house. I want some unsalted butter, some onion flakes, and some chilli, some brown sugar. And you're also going to need some rub, so just a tablespoon of any rub. I made my own rub today, so I'm using a bit of that, but you can use this McCormick's rub. It tastes really good as well. Right, so what we'll do now is we'll jump in, start mixing this sauce together, and then we'll get it on the stove, and we're going to put it on a medium heat, literally for half an hour. So what we'll do is dive back into it. Right, so our pork's just hit 91 degrees Celsius, that's 205 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's time to check in and give it a bit of a probe test. So we'll see how tender this is. Right, so we're just going to insert the probe and it should basically go through like butter. If you've got a tough part, so it's a bit tough there, so we'll give that another 30 minutes and see how we go. Right, so that pulled pork's been in for around another 30 minutes, so it's time to give it another probe test and see if she's ready to come off. Oh. And that is just like butter. So now we've pulled that pork off, we're going to take it inside and just let it rest for about an hour so it can relax, and then we'll give it a bit of a taste test. So it's been resting for an hour now, so it's time to see how tender this actually is. And it's literally falling off the fork. I mean, look at that. That has come out beautiful. Right, and don't forget, everything used in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, and the recipes down there as well. Right, so as you can see, that pulled pork came out amazing and it just literally melted in my mouth. It tastes superb. That rub just made it taste amazing, and the barbecue sauce just finished it off to a T. What I did with mine was I just put them on some buns, shared them with the whole family, and everyone enjoyed them. I highly recommend making this recipe, and it's really easy to do. Like I said, you can do it on the Genesis as I've done, you can do it on the Weber kettle, and you can even do it on the Q. Again, all you'll need is some water pans just to keep that temperature down, and you want to keep it to around the 120, 130 degree mark. And just use some pork shoulder as I did. Just got some pork shoulder from Coles and just cut off any excess fat before I put it in that rub. So again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing your support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is we'll cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. Right, so today, right, so it's the following day now, and our pork's been in that fridge overnight, so it's been fermented with